I got good news and I got bad news. The Indian government has just approved a massive 84,000 crore rupee or $10 billion project. This is huge. 3,000 meters beneath the surface of the ocean off India's eastern coast lies a realm of crushing pressure, pitch black darkness, and billions of barrels of trapped energy. Right now, India spends $144 billion every single year buying crude oil from the rest of the world. But the government just greenlit a $10 billion mission to change that forever. They are calling it Samudra Manthan, the modern churning of the ocean. In ancient Indian mythology, the ocean was churned to bring out Amrit, the nectar of life. Today, India is churning deep sea for something just as powerful in the modern world: crude oil and natural gas. And for anyone in the maritime, surveying, engineering or subsea tech, this opens up a goldmine of opportunities. But here is the twist. This boom will create massive opportunities and most people in the industry may still miss it. By the end of this video, you will know what Samudra Manthan really means, where the money will go, what kind of offshore work will it create, and why only a small group of skilled professionals may actually benefit from it. In simple terms, Samudra Manthan is India's push to explore, map, drill and develop its deepwater offshore energy reserves at a scale the country has never attempted before. This isn't just plan on paper. The mission has already started. On 25th July, ONGC officially spudded exploratory well MNDW-18 in the Mahanadi offshore basin, 23 nautical miles off the coast of Konark, Odisha. For years, a large part of India's offshore area were underexplored or restricted. Now with new offshore blocks opened and advanced deepwater technology available, the government is trying to unlock what was previously out of reach. So how is the government rolling out this 84,000 crore rupees step by step? Step 1, large-scale mapping. Over 28,000 crore is set aside just for modern 2D and 3D seismic surveys to scan nearly 1 million square kilometers of newly opened ocean floor. Step 2, site and geotechnical surveys. Before drilling 60 deepwater wells, contractor must run site geohazard studies. We are talking about multi-beam bathymetry survey, sub-bottom profiling, seabed soil sampling and continuous metocean observation, measuring waves, ocean currents and underwater weather at a depth down to 3,000 meters. To connect all these, ONGC launched DeepX in Mumbai, a mission control unit running a one dashboard system. Every well, every seismic line and every seabed survey is fed into a single real-time digital network. And once discoveries are made, step 3 kicks in: building common offshore infrastructure hubs worth 10,000 crore. This means multi-year contract for pipeline construction vessels, subsea engineering crews and positioning support ships. Think about the sheer scale of workforce required across this entire value chain. Offshore surveyors to map subsea terrain, geophysicists and oceanographers to decode complex geology, and the data processors to run those real-time centralized data sheets. It's a continuous 7-year pipeline of offshore work running through 2031. And if you work in offshore surveys, this could decide where the next decade of your career goes. Now, here is the bad news. Not everybody is going to get a piece of this pie. ONGC itself just announced that they are rolling out specialized training programs for a next generation of ocean explorers. Why? Because deepwater operations at 3,000 meter depth leave zero margin for error and no second chance. Every meter of seabed data has to be right before a rig worth hundreds of crores moves into position. That means government bodies and energy giants aren't giving contracts to average operators. Only top-tier survey companies with proven track record will win these tenders. And as for surveyors, engineers, oceanographers, and data processors, not everyone will make the cut. Only the professionals who upskill and master deepwater technology will land these roles. The opportunity of a decade is officially here. Are you qualified enough to grab it?